Honorable Minister Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Chairman Aditya Birla Group, Shri Kumaramangalam Birla, Honorable MPs, Honorable MLAs, ex-MP Shri Kalikesh Singh Deo, Olympian Shri Gagan Naran, Arjun Awardee, Duty Chand, ladies and gentlemen, Hinjlikat or Chhatarpur Road, Priya Bhayo Bonimani. I am glad that we are launching 3 top-class sports facilities in the state in a single day today. This demonstrates our resolve to make Odisha a leading state in sports. After hosting the Hockey World Cup in 2018 and many national and international events in Odisha, we have taken up a multitude of sports infrastructure projects in our state. We will be launching more such grassroots development programs across all the districts. As a part of the 5T initiative, our focus is on complete transformation of the sports sector in the state. With quality coaching and infrastructure, I am sure a new generation of world-class sports persons from the state will emerge in the coming decades. As you know, we continue to support sports persons in their endeavors to achieve excellence. It requires a lot of dedication and hard work, and also support systems. I would like to congratulate athlete Duty Chand for the Arjuna Award. In recognition, the state government decides to give an out-of-turn promotion in her job in OMC. Ganjam has a vibrant sports culture and has produced many sports persons. To further promote sport activities in the district, Hinjlikato Indoor Stadium and Chhatarpur Indoor Hall have been created. Built to international standards, Hinjlikat Indoor Stadium is one of the best indoor facilities we have in the state. Hinjlikato Rayuba PD Mananka, Pai A Indoor Stadium, बहुत यूजफुल है वो. और वो घोषणा करी थी छतरपुर तारे हॉकी ट्रेनिंग पाई synthetic turf Karaji. India has been a major force in shooting at the global level. I hope that with the launching of the 10-meter and 50-meter shooting ranges in Kalinga Stadium, Odisha will certainly produce a large number of shooting champions for the country. Partnership of industry and leading sports persons is indeed a dynamic mechanism for flourishing sports. I am happy that the partnership with Aditya Birla Group and Olympian Gagan Naran has been further strengthened with the launching of this facility. I thank Shri Kumaramangalam Birla and Olympian Gagan Naran for their commitment to promote young talent in Odisha. In the last few months, the training of the sports persons would have been severely impacted by the restrictions due to COVID pandemic. I hope the momentum of sports development will continue with renewed vigor once the corona situation improves and the state will continue to excel in the field of sports. Thank you. Bande Utkal Jana.
Good.